if you guys ever want to work out, ride a skateboard. Boom! All right, guys, we're here today with Alex. And
hey, how you guys doing?
And he wants to learn how to do a kickflip.
Right.
Okay, so we're gonna start. Can I see a couple earlier tricks?
Sure.
Can I see just an ollie?
Okay.
Let's go, yeah, let's go right here. Bro, I go to the skate park and I'm like, they're like, oh, I want to learn how to trick. Can I see an ollie? Yeah. Boom! Highest ollie ever. Okay, that was good. Okay, frontside 180?
Frontside 180, yeah.
Trick, go this way a little bit. That thing is scaring me.
Frontside 180?
Yeah. Okay, wow. First try. He's got this on lock. Okay, this is the hardest trick for all beginners. Backside 180.
Backside 180.
Dang! His backside 180 is even better than his frontside 180. All right, that's first try. Very well done. Pop shove it?
Pop shove it?
I know you got pop shove it. I saw him do it earlier. Wow! Do you know who Stevie Williams is?
I don't.
He don't know who Stevie Williams is. Leave it in the comments below. Okay, so Stevie Williams is a skater.
Okay.
And he has like, specifically like his switch pop shove it.
Right.
Boom!
Wow.
That's what yours was like just there.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go to kickflip.
All right.
You did really good. Okay, let's see. Let's see your kickflip attempt. Standing still is easiest. First try! What are we doing here? You got it!
But I want to do it rolling.
He wants to do it rolling.
I want to do it rolling.
Okay, first of all, that was very good. Okay, so hop, he's got the flick, and yeah, it's good. So all you would do now to do it rolling, do you have like, how often do you skate?
Pretty often actually. Like 4 times a week.
4 times a week. Okay, so every time you go on the 4 times a week, roll around, do all your kick turns, various things, get really comfortable riding your board. And anytime you can just skate to the store, skate to work, wherever, ride your board.
Okay.
And then you're gonna get really, really comfortable. But, okay, have you ever done a kickflip moving?
No,
Never?
Not really.
Okay, good. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so now we're gonna start out with a rolling ollie.
Okay.
So we're gonna pretend that this crack is something that you have to jump over, because it is, because it's a crack.
Right.
And we're gonna go back here, and we're gonna just ollie it. Probably we should maybe find a better spot where there's more runway, but like you can set up, just ollie. Dude, easy money. Okay, so for anyone learning at home, you're gonna watch where you're going. Your eyes are gonna be on the crack, on the obstacle the whole time. You're gonna bend your knees, you're gonna prepare, and then you're gonna launch. So that was really good. So based on his ollie, I know 100% guarantee he can land kickflip rolling. So also, he landed the kickflip first try. Like, come on, give me a break. Okay, so now, you already did front 180, back 180. So now, let's see the kickflip.
Okay.
Good, I like it. Okay, so we gotta get a little more comfortable. One thing that I can tell that's really interesting is this happens a lot. There's like a foot readjustment. So you put your foot in the spot where you want to kickflip.
Okay.
And now when you bend down, there's like a pretty big like movement.
Right.
Like, whoa. Let's try and just have the foot in the position and then bend down and pop up without that readjustment.
Okay.
Let's try. Foot there. See, no readjustment. I think that will help because I think it's messing up your flick. Woo! One more adjustment. So your foot is like here a little bit. Try and move it a little more like that. And then when you flick, what's your direction there? Like that?
Yeah, I always do it like on the side.
Here, show me. Okay, do it again. I just want to see. Do that whole motion again. I want to see from here.
This?
Yeah. And then flick up. Okay, good. I want you to use, let me see your foot. I want you to like almost like this part of the toe right there.
Okay.
Flick it off right here, and then when you hit that peak, ankle up. Yeah, ankle up, ankle up. Yeah, so like, I'm gonna show you with my foot. It's interesting in super slow-mo, where the board actually flips is right here. See my toe? Boom, and then go like that. Boom. You can already do this well enough to kickflip. I'm just sort of perfecting your technique. Do 5 of those, 5, just one. Let's go like This is a practice drill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, pass. Now, do the kickflip. Too much foot on. Let's move that foot from like right there to like right there.
Okay.
It's good. It's also interesting because if a person practices a flick a bunch of times, like maybe hundreds of times, and then you try to make an adjustment, it's very difficult to like put it into practice right away. Okay, you got it. Oh my word! You didn't need to double flip on him. Okay, that was really good. You got that. You got that. Yeah. Do one standing still. No pressure, no pressure. Yeah, good. Perfect.
It's so hard to do it without resetting my whole feet.
It's hard to do it?
Yeah.
You can go back to how you were doing it.
Okay.
Because if there's something that works for you, another like thing.
I don't know why.
If there's something that works for you, just do it. Yeah, that's okay, do it. Yeah, I think why is because you're putting your foot there, and then when you readjust, it's actually in like a more correct position. So I'm trying to get you to just do the more correct position to start and not move it, but do it, do your thing.
Okay.
Yeah, good. There it is. Oh! He literally broke his board. He landed so good.
I heard some cracking.
He definitely cracked the tail.
Must be it.
Okay, we're okay. Now, what I would say, so if I'm learning this trick, it's easier standing still.
Right.
So I would do 1 standing still, and then try like 5 in motion, and then do 1 standing still, 5 in motion, and just repeat this until you go, okay, because truthfully, it's the exact same motion, standing still, as moving. It's
Pretty much.
It's just a little more like, oh, I'm moving and it's different.
Right.
There's this person who kickflipped down a 20 stair, and he said a kickflip on flat is the same as a kickflip down 20.
Yeah.
Truthfully, it is, but you know, otherwise you have a lot of impact. But yeah, okay, you got it moving.
Yeah.
You land it right here, first try, you win a prize. Nobody saw that. That never happened. Yeah, that was it.
That was it. Gotta commit to it.
That was it right there. That was money, cash money. He's got it.
Just gotta commit to it.
Oh, that was it. That was fully it. Yeah. Oh! Almost. It's so close. He's like full on commitment though, which is a beautiful thing to see. Like he's going through it mentally and physically. He's got it. There it is.
Oh my God.
There it is. Wow. That was beautiful. Okay, that's it. Now I'm filming slow-mo. I'm gonna help him analyze it with the slow motion. As needed. Yeah, we're gonna analyze this. Okay, so good, foot position looks good. Pop looks good, I think.
I'm not committing.
Yeah, no, I think right here, your front foot needs to go a little bit more straight up.
Right.
I don't wanna change your flick though too much because it is flipping it. You see what I mean?
Right.
But yeah, get it more straight.
Okay.
Less to the side, more straight. Let's try. And that is how you do it when you're on flat. So we wanna just replicate that. Or like not moving, I should say. Oh, okay, here, we're gonna do this. The other key is you only change one thing at a time. We're gonna do that front foot flick a split second later.
Okay.
Just a little bit later on the timing. Yeah. Oh!
I'm not getting the right motion or...
The right motion on the flick?
Yeah.
So...
Gotta put everything together.
This is where I would say we should do one not moving, and then your confidence goes again back up.
Right.
And then you do it rolling.
So, you want me to do one?
Yeah, let's do one not moving, and I want to analyze also your flick not moving. First try! Get out of here! Okay, now do it rolling. No questions asked. Okay, now exact same thing. The ground is just moving, that's all. Yeah, give it a couple tries. I'm gonna see what's going on here. Yeah. So interesting. So standing still, see how you move your feet like way to the side?
Right.
And then you pop it and you flick it and you got that. But if you were rolling and you had your feet there, you would like turn really hard to the right? And that can mess you up. But it's tricky because you learn how to kickflip like that motion. So it's tricky to move your feet and then still get the same flick.
Right.
But we know you can flick it because you land it without moving. So, okay, I want to try. Man, the easiest way is just the exact same motion, but let's try. I wonder if your back foot, maybe almost overcorrect it a little bit further this way, and let's see if that helps. Let's see if that helps. Man, I don't know, I feel like you got it though. Yeah, I mean, he's got it. Okay. Okay, I got a question. Do you believe you can land it?
I do.
Rolling.
Yeah.
You can do it.
I can do it.
Okay, do it. Just visualize the land. What is it gonna look like to land? And then just do it.
Okay.
Okay, you got it. Oh my word! That was it!
That was it!
He's got it. He's got it. Yeah.
Oh!
If you guys ever want to work out, ride a skateboard. This is hardcore workout. Yeah.
No, I'm tired.
Tired? Okay. Yeah, take a break. Take a break. I should bring water.
Yeah, we didn't bring any.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
I need some water.
Definitely need water when you're skateboarding. Don't get dehydrated. Drink water. Take care of yourself. Okay, it's very interesting.
I got it landed it.
You got it though. You literally landed on that one. We said, okay, do you believe you got it? Yes, I believe I got it. Boom, okay. Pop, flick, land, right there. Okay, let me show you. Okay, standing still. Front foot there, 45-degree angle, back foot on the tail. Pop and flick. Pop and flick. So some tricks are really easy to go from standing still to moving, but some tricks can be more difficult. Kickflip is one of them. Okay, so then you're gonna go from that to rolling. So just add a little bit of rolling, a little bit of speed at a time. Gonna bend down, pop, flick. So for me, I've done 9 million kickflips. I can have my foot in that position and just leave it there. What he's having difficulty with is like, he readjusts his foot into a very specific spot, which he's practiced. This is why it's very important to practice the trick in the correct motion all the time, because like Yoda says, you must unlearn what you've learned, but he fully has it. The other thing with skateboarding is, if you can do a trick, you did the trick, and then perfect it from there. You see what I mean?
He said he wants to try again, one more try.
You got it, you can land it as many times as you need, but if you need to go, I understand that too. But I believe that you have this. 100%. Do it without rolling. Yeah, there it is. Yeah.
Getting tired.
Yeah, there is also a point as a skater when there's a point where exhaustion sets in. And you gotta know when to call it a day, and you gotta take your wins gradually as they come. But there's also a point when you know when to push through that and land it no matter what.
Yeah, we gotta go.
You gotta go, okay.
But appreciate your advice.
Yeah, it was really, really good.
Thank you, it was nice to meeting you in person.
Yeah, good meeting you too. I'll show you. Okay, so you cannot take a loss that you didn't land it moving.
Right.
Because you got better at the trick today
Totally, yeah.
than you were
Really
half an hour ago, than you were yesterday, etc. So what you would do now is just do that process, land it on flat without rolling, and then do it rolling.
5 tries.
Yeah, 5 tries.
Rolling.
Yeah, land it without rolling, and then 5 tries rolling, and then
it.
land it without rolling, and just repeat this, because this is the repetition that will teach you. Okay, thank you so much. Keep skating. You guys are awesome.
Thank you so much. It was so great meeting you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
I always watch your YouTube videos.
Thank you so much. All right guys, I hope you're having an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard. I hope these tips and tricks are helping you to improve, and you can take these to your own skate park, in your own garage, wherever you're learning, and go have a blast learning. If you want personal skateboard instruction, you can join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. It's an amazing community. We have a lot of people in there learning just like you, so you can post your clips and have fun learning with an awesome community. I'll see you in the Braille Skateboarding Academy. And if you guys need anything, we got you at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next video.